Congratulations, you've made it to the finish line. We're here with some tips to help you look and feel your best in your master's regalia on your commencement day. After you receive your gown, remove it from the packaging and hang it up. This will help to remove wrinkles as you cannot iron, wash, or dry clean your gowns. A little steam should do the trick. The sleeves of a master's gown look like this. There's nothing wrong with it. Simply put your hands through the open holes in each sleeve. The hood is one of the most expressive parts of the graduation regalia. The hood signifies your school, degree level, and even field of study through the different colors of the lining. If you're wearing any stoles or cords, remember that stoles go first, then cords, and finally your hood. Want to make sure that you're wearing your hood the right way? We'll walk you through it. Start by identifying the tapered end, which has a neck cord, and place the hood over your head. The velvet side of your hood should be neatly visible in front of your neck. To secure the hood, fasten the neck cord to a button on your shirt or dress. If you're wearing something without a button, you can secure it to the button that can be found inside your gown near your chest, or simply use a safety pin. For this next step, feel free to enlist a friend or a family member. To make sure that the hood stays on your shoulders, fasten the second string on the back of the hood to the button on the opposite side. And be sure to fold out the wide satin bands to reveal the colorful lining. The last part of the regalia is your hat or cap. Inside the hat, which should be a square mortarboard cap, is an arrow indicating which direction it should go on your head. Optimally, the front part of the cap will sit on your forehead, but you may use bobby pins on the sides to best secure it. Place the tassel onto your graduation cap by simply looping it over the ring at the center and pulling. As a graduate student, your tassel should hang on the left side of your face from ceremony start to finish. There's no need to switch sides. Here are some last tips to help you prepare. 1. On commencement day, be sure to arrive early and already dressed in your gown, hood, and cap. 2. Dress comfortably. And finally, 3. Don't forget to smile. You did it! From all of us at the CUNY Graduate Center, we are so proud of you and can't wait to cheer you on at commencement.